with another video with Sebastian and Jack.
But I'm the cameraman.
Yeah, for now. And tonight, we're going to be rolling a car over a ramp down the drive.
Let's go.
So let's get started.
So there's a little ramp that we made.
Here's the car.
Let's go. Oh!
Ladder.
He tumbled it and then made it. So now he's your second turn.
That's awesome.
Did the battery literally fall out?
Yes. Okay, let's go. Again.
Did you put the battery in?
Sorry, folks. Put batteries.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yo, hurry. Yo, look at those stars.
Yeah.
Well, you can't really see the stars
Second time.
because the lighting is really bad there.
Second time around. Again!
Alright, now it's my turn.
Now it's Jack's turn. Okay. Go. Hey, Jack. Let's get started. Oh, and that was a lander.
Here's my last turn, and then
Last
that'll be it for tonight.
Yeah. Let's do this. Turns it, and then, lander! And the track piece fell off. That was amazing.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, that was it for tonight. Sorry, that was a short one. See you next time in the next video of Sebastian's World.